salmon skin, raw fish. Now, this wasn't a part of the recipe. This came from my weird, strange, made-up mind, okay? I love a good food concoction. You guys, if you saw it here first, make sure you credit me. This is good. And that is how you make sure you use every part of the fish. And there's just one more thing missing. Kimchi. It's kimchi all day, every day. Kimchi all day, every day. Kimchi, 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 kimchi. Let's try this combination. Salmon skin, fish with the kimchi. Let's roll it, roll it, gal. That is so good. Why am I using my hands? I forgot I had chopsticks. Duh, dummy. Whoop, seriously? Guys, food makes me happy, can you tell? If you are a raw fish lover, this recipe is definitely for you. As I said, try it with fresh salmon, not frozen. Even though it still tastes good with the frozen, good quality fresh fish will taste even more. That's it, guys. Thanks for hanging out with me and trying new things with me. I'll see you in the next video. And if you do try this recipe, let me know in the comments. Bye!